Welcome back. It is Monday, so we are hanging out with local CPA Jeromy Bourque. He joins us virtually. We have a pair of deadlines that are approaching for the 16th, and I know we have a tropical storm right now headed our way. Will that impact these two different deadlines? We have an income tax return deadline and an income tax payment deadline. Hey, Jeromy.
So we do have the S corporation and partnership tax returns, forms 1065 and 1120S are due next Monday, as well as Q3 2024 estimated tax payments. We're not, obviously the hurricane has not come or tropical storm has not come yet, so we don't know for sure yet, but usually the IRS will give an automatic extension for a brief amount of time to account for any disruptions in your business operations or your personal income tax payment operations. So there's potential that this deadline could be extended further.
Yeah.
We won't hear about that for a few weeks.
Absolutely. But right now, people should prepare for these two deadlines. What do they need to know about them?
So hopefully your CPA has been in contact if they haven't finished your business return yet, your S Corp or your partnership return, and probably hounding you down for information. So please reply to them before you head out of town, but do prioritize your family safety first. Your quarterly estimates, again, same thing. Your CPA should have prepared you for these amounts already that were due. If they have not, please reach out to them and ask them if that needs to be calculated.
Yeah, absolutely. And let's say you miss these deadlines. Are there any penalties involved?
Yes. Obviously, for filing the tax return, there is a penalty for not filing your return on time. And for the estimated tax payment, there is a penalty based on how much you actually owe versus your estimate, and a little bit of interest on top of that.
Okay.
So definitely, pro tip is to stay on top of that and make sure that if anything's changed in your life and your income, definitely let your CPA know so they can calculate some proper estimates for you.
Absolutely. And if for some reason there is an extension needed because of the tropical storm, when does the IRS usually make that decision?
Depends on their availability. So I'd say now it should be pretty quick. Some years, a couple years ago we had bad storms. We had COVID as well as the storms going on, so it took months to find out. Like literally, you found out the next year. But I think we should find out within the next 2-3 weeks.
All right. And if people at home have any questions for you, how can they contact you?
They can give us a call 337-362-5005 or email me at jeremy@jbourquecpa.com.
Jeromy, as always, thank you so much for joining us virtually. If you at home, you want to learn more, go to KATN.com. But let's check in right now with Adam Olivier.